Hi Lydia, just looking at your maths book with you for today, and we're talking about 2D shapes. And what we're talking about is regular shapes and irregular shapes. Okay, so a regular shape has only straight sides. All the sides are the same length. All the angles are the same size, and they are symmetrical. So you can put a line through the center and both sides will be identical on either side. So they're looking at two regular shapes here at the top of the page, a regular triangle and a regular square. Okay, so you can see in this triangle and in this square, all they're all straight sides. All the sides are the same length. All the angles in here are the same and they are both symmetrical. Okay, so if I drew a line down the center of the shape, it would be the same on either side. Okay, so a square, I can actually draw a few symmetrical lines. I can go down the center vertically, or I can go horizontally. That's not very straight because I don't have a ruler, or I can actually go diagonally as well. So a square has lots of symmetrical lines. So this is a regular triangle here, but if you look down at this triangle, this green triangle in A, that is not a regular triangle. It is an irregular triangle because all the sides are not the same. Okay, because this one here, this length side here is longer than the other two. And all the angles are not the same, okay? Because this is a right angle here, but these are not. These angles are smaller. So that shape is an irregular shape. Okay, so all you have to do, you don't have to write the name of the shape. You're just writing regular or irregular. So that's an irregular triangle. The one up here at the top of the page is a regular one. Okay. So a square is a regular shape. We saw that, but a rectangle is not a regular shape. It's an irregular shape. So looking here at D, it's an irregular shape. Even though you might say, well, Miss Walsh, it has all straight sides and its angles are the same and it's symmetrical. So lots of the things are right, but its sides do not have the same length. Okay, it has two long sides and two short sides. That's the difference between a rectangle and a square. So its sides are not the same length, so it's an irregular shape. Going to do a little bit of sorting. We have got these shapes and we have to decide, are they regular or irregular? So if they're regular, I'll drop them into this box, and if they're irregular, I'll drop them into this box. So as I just said to you a second ago, a rectangle is irregular because its sides are not the same length, too long, too short. But a square is a regular shape. It has all sides the same length, all straight sides, all angles are the same. This triangle here is an irregular triangle because look, it has one really long side and its angles are not the same, and it would not be symmetrical if I put a line down the middle. They would not be identical on either side. But this triangle, this is a regular triangle. Its sides are all the same. Its angles are all the same and it's symmetrical. This shape here is definitely irregular. It has all different lengths. None of them are the same size. And the same with this one, irregular. Lots of different lengths. Okay, that's right. We'll go to the next one. Okay, what do you think? Regular or irregular? And it's irregular. Lots of different lengths here. None of them the same size. This is a hexagon. It has 6 sides, 6 equal sides. They're all the same length, 6 equal angles, and it's symmetrical, and all the sides are straight, so it's regular. This also is a hexagon because it has 6 sides, but its sides are definitely not equal, and its angles are not equal, and it's not symmetrical, so it's going in the irregular. A semicircle, circles and semicircles are all irregular because they have curved sides, and regular shapes need straight sides. This is a pentagon. It has 5 sides, and its 5 sides are equal, and its angles are equal, and it is symmetrical, and it's all straight sides, so into the regular. And this triangle is not a regular shape because its sides are not all equal. Okay, we have a regular triangle again. And definitely an irregular shape. Here we have an octagon, 8 sides, and they're all equal, and they're all straight, and their angles are all equal, and it's symmetrical, so it can go in the regular. This funny looking shape with different side lengths is irregular. And a star. What do you think about a star? Its sides are straight, they're all the same length, and the angles are the same, and it is symmetrical. So into the regular. Here we have our hexagon again, similar to the octagon, but the octagon has 8 sides and the hexagon has 6 sides. They're all straight, they're all the same, and the angles are all the same, and it's symmetrical. So into the regular it goes. Okay. Go back to our page. So you're going to write if they're regular or irregular. So we said that first triangle is definitely an irregular shape because its sides are not the same and its angles are not the same. You can see a right angle here and not here and not here. Okay, and this is a hexagon at 6 sides and it's regular because they're all the same. This is definitely an irregular shape because they are all different lengths. The rectangle I said is irregular because it's 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Your square is a perfect regular shape. This triangle is irregular. It has a curved line here. But this triangle is a perfect regular shape with all sides the same. And this shape here is irregular because these are longer than these. Okay. Okay, we're going to look at a hexagon here, and it has, you need to count how many sides it has. And there are the sides. You need to count up how many sides. Then you need to count how many angles. So here, here, all your angles, here and here. Are they greater or less than a right angle? Are they bigger or smaller than a right angle? This would be a right angle here. Okay, if I was to draw a right angle on the shape, it would look like this. Okay, so are they bigger or smaller than that? And how many pairs of parallel lines does it have? Okay, a parallel line is 2 lines that are never going to meet. So they just keep going straight on forever and ever and never touch. So if you had a straight line here and a straight line here, imagine they're a bit straighter than that because my salt finds it hard to draw on this. And they go on forever and ever and they never touch. Okay, so they could be going that way. The 2 parallel lines could be going this way, or they could both be going diagonally. But that they're both straight opposite each other and they could carry on forever and never crash into each other. Not like these 2 lines down here. They're not parallel because they will touch each other. They will crash into each other. So the parallel lines are this one and this one. They are going the same direction, carrying on up here, and they will never touch. That's one set of parallel lines. This one and this one. Okay, so they carry on going straight across and horizontally and never touch. That's two sets of parallel lines. And then finally, this one and this one. Okay, carrying on this way and this way forever and ever and never going to collide. Okay, so first, how many straight sides does it have? So counting them all. Then how many angles? Okay, how many angles? And are they greater, bigger than a right angle or smaller than a right angle? Okay, this is a right angle here. The shape would be going up here and across. If it was a right angle, but it's not, it's going this way, so it's bigger. And then how many pairs of parallel lines? So we've one pair there, one pair here, and another diagonal pair here. Okay. And you don't have to do number 3. You can just have a look at the pictures there and see, can you see the hexagons in the shape? Okay, I hope that helps, Lydia. Bye.